Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how I pick my kale. It's November and I'm going to show you how I pick it to keep it growing throughout the season. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have product reviews, I have easy to prepare recipes, I have videos on how to grow various vegetables in containers, and I have some meditation videos. So come on, let's go outside and pick us a mess of kale.
It's not quite 7 o'clock and I'm out here picking some of my greens, my kale actually. And I'm going to get those cooked up and put in the freezer and have those for Thanksgiving. And I picked some already. Let me show you. In that container right there. So I got some more. I'm just getting the big leaves right now. And I like picking them early in the morning because it keeps them sweeter than if you get them later in the day, especially if it's going to be a whole lot of sun out during the day. So I'm getting these now. It's cold out here. It's 40 degrees. Now the kale handles it fabulously. I mean, there's no problem. But my green beans, and I'll show you the green beans, as you can see, are done. I'll give you a better shot. Now I picked off most of the green beans. I snapped them. They're in the freezer. My okra, my okra is really done. It's been done for a few weeks now. It got cold. I did get some okra, but not as much as I wanted. Here are my turnips. I picked the turnips already, as they say, cooked up a mess of turnips about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and now they're coming back for a second harvest. So I'm happy about that. But let me show you more about the kale, because this is what I'm really talking about today. Now the beauty about kale and turnip is that you can cut them and then you can get a second harvest. So you have to cut them down at the base of the plant. Cut it, or you can pinch it off. I'm going to give you a better shot. I have two varieties of kales. This one is the Vate's Blue Scotch Kale. And you just get down here to the base. Don't think you can you see that right down there at the base? Clip it, and there you have it. Let me take you down lower. You might see better. Yeah, right down there at the base of the stem. You just clip it off, and that way it'll grow back. And that's it. Oh, let me tell you something else. So I showed you one variety of kale. Here's the other variety of kale. Now these are called the dwarf Siberian. I'll give you a closer shot of those. The leaves are not as curly as the other one, but it's still a variety of kale. And that's it. If you like that quick little video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now.